How to make money on YouTube. Hello all, welcome to my channel. projectcoderwizard. YouTube is an online video platform owned by Google. It is the second most visited website in the world. In total, users watch more than 1 billion hours of YouTube videos per day, and hundreds of hours of video content are uploaded to YouTube servers every minute. How to enable monetization on YouTube. Sign into the YouTube account you want to monetize. Click the icon for your account in the top right corner. Click YouTube Studio. In the left menu, select Other Features, Monetization. Read and agree to the YouTuber Partner Program terms. Create a new AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to get paid. Set your monetization preferences. YouTube is a site where they can spend endless hours watching cat videos, product reviews, or other people playing video games. For others, it's a way to make money. Becoming a professional YouTuber might sound like fun, but you'll have to hustle to get started, and there's no guarantee it will pay off. If you're looking to make a quick buck, you might consider other options. However, if you're already an avid video creator and are willing to put in the extra effort, you might be able to make money on YouTube. Step 1. To earn directly through YouTube, you must partner with the site. Once you do, there are several ways to cash in, but to become a partner you must meet the requirements. Your videos must abide by the site's advertising guidelines and have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours within the last 12 months. You must live in an eligible area. You need over 1,000 subscribers.
You need to link a Google AdSense account. Step 2. Connect to Google AdSense. To get affirmed as an accomplice, you need to interface your channel to Google AdSense, the organization's promoting framework. Promoters use AdSense to offer for space on recordings dependent on components like your crowd, video subject, and applicable watchwords. As a rule, you'll be paid depending on the quantity of impressions your recordings get. That is the point at which somebody taps on or watches an advertisement. Promotions don't show each time somebody watches a video. However, CCs don't make an interpretation of straightforwardly to cash in the bank. Additionally, YouTube takes a cut of the promotion income. It wouldn't reveal that rate.
Step 3. Check out YouTube Premium. AdSense isn't the only way partners can make money on YouTube. You can also make videos available on YouTube Premium, which is the site's ad-free subscription service. You'll earn a portion of the revenue from membership fees, based on how much members view your videos. Step 4. AdSense isn't the only way partners can make money on YouTube. You can also make videos available on YouTube Premium, which is the site's ad-free subscription service. You'll earn a portion of the revenue from membership fees, based on how much members view your videos. Step 5. Sell your branded merchandise. Specifically, the streamer branded merchandise market is $1.5 billion. Guitarist Matthew 𝗕𝗓𝗓 from the heavy metal band Trivium claims about 15% to 20% of his streaming revenue comes from merchandise. He calls it mailbox money because once set up, such income doesn't need you to work actively. Step 6. Turn to crowdfunding. There are two primary types of crowdfunding, recurring and project-based. Recurring crowdfunding lets contributors pay an amount they specify on a regular schedule. You'd want to maximize this type of funding in order to turn a channel into a substantial income stream. Incentives such as one-on-one video chats, private classes or merchandise can entice viewers to sign up. Step 7. License your content to the media. If you happen to create a viral video with mass appeal, say, a funny clip featuring your dog, you can license your content in exchange for money. TV news outlets, morning shows, online news sites, and other creators might reach out about rights to use your videos if they happen to go viral. You can also list your videos in a marketplace, such as 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗑, where your content will be easier for the right people to find and